Are you looking for honest, useful health tips? I'm here to boost your muscle recovery with 5 high-protein snacks. First up, Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, particularly casein and whey, which are excellent for muscle repair and recovery. Add berries for antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. A single serving of Greek yogurt can provide 15 or 20 grams of protein. Plus, the probiotics support gut health, aiding overall recovery. Stick with plain or lightly sweetened options to keep it healthy. Next, we've got hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair. Plus, they provide B vitamins for energy metabolism. Easy to prep and store for quick snacking, each egg gives you about 6 grams of protein. Keep it to 1. 2 eggs per snack for the best results. Third, cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles. Adding pineapple offers natural sugars to replenish glycogen and bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation. 1 cup of cottage cheese gives you around 24 grams of protein. Perfect for post-workout or a bedtime snack to aid overnight muscle repair. Choose low-sugar, low-fat varieties. Fourth, turkey or chicken slices. These lean sources of high-quality protein are low in fat and carbs, ideal for muscle recovery without extra calories. Each slice provides around 5-7 grams of protein. They're great as a quick snack or rolled up with veggies. Opt for fresh, minimally processed slices to avoid high sodium and preservatives. Finally, a protein shake with whey or plant-based protein. Whey protein is rapidly absorbed, making it one of the most effective options for post-workout recovery. Boost your shake with fruits, oats or nut butters for extra carbs and nutrients. And there you have it, 5 high-protein snacks to supercharge your muscle recovery. Remember, eating right is just as important as working out. Stay strong and keep pushing. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fitness tips.